Hello and welcome back to Resilience Reimagined. I'm Emmanuel Erifona. Today, we are exploring the powerful path to mental well-being, nature and ecotherapy. In our busy lives, nature offers a sanctuary where we can reconnect, recharge and heal. Let's discover how the natural world can be a source of profound transformation. Ecotherapy is the practice of engaging with nature to promote healing and mental clarity. It's based on the idea that spending time in natural environments can reduce stress, improve mood, and even boost cognitive function. Whether it's a quiet walk in the park or simply sitting under a tree, nature has a unique way of grounding us and restoring balance. Research shows that even short periods in nature can lower cortisol levels and ease anxiety. It reminds us that we are part of something larger and more enduring than our daily challenges. Being in nature has remarkable benefits for our mental health. It helps reduce stress, improve focus, and nurtures our emotional well being. When we immerse ourselves in natural surroundings, we activate a sense of calm and perspective that's hard to achieve in our fast paced urban lives. Nature also encourages mindfulness, helping us to be fully present in the moment, free from the distractions of modern life. Now, let's take a moment to experience nature's healing power together. Find a comfortable spot where you feel connected to nature. It might be in your backyard, at a nearby park, or even by an open window with a view of the trees. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Imagine yourself surrounded by the sounds of nature, the rustling of leaves, the gentle flow of water, and the whisper of the wind. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more at peace. Now, silently ask yourself, what does nature bring into my life? How does it nurture my soul? Pause for a moment and just listen to your inner response. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or worry, letting it drift away like clouds in the sky. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take in the beauty around you. Notice the details, the colors, the textures, the light. This is your sanctuary. Let it remind you that peace is always within reach. That exercise is a simple reminder of how deeply nature can impact our well being. By integrating moments like these into our daily lives, we create small rituals that nurture our minds and hearts. Whether it's a short walk or a quiet moment of reflection, each interaction with nature is a step towards a more balanced, resilient self. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the healing power of nature. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to Resilience Reimagined for more insight on healing and transformation. Remember, every moment in nature is an opportunity to reconnect and rejuvenate. Stay connected, stay resilient, and I'll see you in the next video.